You ever wondered how to cook oxtail the fast and easy way? Well, let me help you. First, we're going to start off with 2.6 pounds of oxtail, and then we're going to add 2 quarts of water and 1 cup of apple cider vinegar to it. We're going to place it into the refrigerator for about an hour or two, drain, and then we're going to add what you see here on the screen. So I have my marinade, I have onions, thyme, rosemary, and all the other ingredients are listed in the description box. Oh, before I forget, please hit the like button because we're about to get dirty. Remember to wash your hands. It's okay to touch your food. If gloves is your thing, use them. I don't use gloves, I use soap and water. Anyways, rub the marinade into every crease and every crevice. You want to cook with love. Love is half the battle. And take the stress off yourself. Cooking should be fun. Now it's time to braise these suckers. 2 minutes on every side. And just in case I forgot to mention, I let these oxtail marinate in the refrigerator overnight. So I'm braising these in my cast iron pan. In the pan I have avocado oil and butter. I was so tired, y'all. You see this small pan. I ended up transferring my pan. This was way too small. Again, all the ingredients are listed below. Please hit the subscribe button and the like button. We're going to pop this into our oven. The oven should be set at 200 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're going to cook these for 7.5 to 8 hours. Your oxtail meat should literally fall off the bone, or at least be fork tender. Just like that. The beans and carrots are optional, but just know that when you add beans to your dish, the beans will thicken up your gravy. Now, if you tried this, let me know what you've added to yours.